O sige, ganito na lang. Para maging happy si Ate Sairi, okay lang pa nakantahan natin siya ng happy birthday song? Okay? So, everybody guys, let's clap our hands at sabay-sabay tayo sa beat ng music. Everyone's clap our hands for Sairi! Hey! 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 Everyone's clap our hands! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! To you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, at ngayon, sabay-sabay po natin isigaw. Happy birthday, Sairi! Okay, at ngayon, Sairi, eto ha, okay lang ba na i-welcome mo lahat ng mga guests mo? O, sige na. Okay, dahil dyan, Sairi, sige na, dito ka muna sa may wagang cake. O, book natin ng contact mo yan.